Whether you're joining us for an undergraduate degree, or for a master's degree, or for one of our exciting range of executive education programs, you'll find expertise and energy here in DCU Business School, and we're delighted to welcome you.
Education has the power to transform. Your DCU degree isn't just about teaching you new skills, it's also about your personal growth and learning to think differently. We are delighted to be part of your journey here. Here's how you can make most of your time at DCU Business School.
Have an entrepreneurial mindset. This means that we're going to think together and learn together how to find the best solution to business challenges.
We know that one of the secrets of success is to give more than you take. So come to DCU, embrace the culture, give more than you take, you'll have a great time.
Each year we work with lots of different companies in many different ways. You'll have a chance to interact with these companies, which gives you real world experience and makes you, as it were, more work ready.
Teamwork is a huge part of what we do here in DCU. We firmly believe that our students learn as much from each other as they do from us. So over the next few weeks, take time to get to know your classmates, to go for coffee, and to form those relationships that are going to be so important to you while you're here with us.
Are you excited to be here? We are excited to meet you. Together, we'll develop your potential and help you become the best version of yourself.
Welcome to DCU Business School.
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 Welcome to DCU Business School.